Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and I'm here today with the all-new Optrel half mask tight fit. So, you guys are familiar with the Swiss Air unit from Optrel, right? So the half mask, loose fit, made for welders, FR rated front cloth there, and then a foam nose piece fits on the half mask, pumps in fresh air. Awesome unit, very, very popular. So they came out with a tight fit half mask. So full silicone with a see-through window so you can see your mouth. It fits the existing Swiss Air power pack. You just got to buy this unit. We sell it. We'll link it down below, but it's sold separately. And then you can buy a tight fit whole kit as well, like this unit right here, but this is the half mask loose fit, and then you can buy a whole kit for the tight fit unit. So basically what this unit came out for, it is a higher NIOSH rating for protection on the tight fit, but you got to be clean shaven, right? There's some downsides. You're clean shaven, fit tested to wear this because this is a tight fit unit, and then it actually works the same way. It just pumps in fresh air, and it's got two breather valves right there that you can exhale out. But it is a tight fit unit, made with a window, so if you're in a loud area and people got to read your lips to when you're talking to them, that kind of thing. Where we're seeing this is not necessarily the welding world, but you can use it in the welding world, but we're seeing it for construction, carpenters, that kind of thing. They're dealing with it, insulation or asbestos or something like that. A lot of like chemical plants too, where they require a respirator, tight fit respirator. We're seeing a lot of that go into those, but it is nice, very comfortable. Obviously you got to be clean shaven. It ain't gonna hold up to my face, but it just goes up just like that, and you can see my mouth talking through it. It's pretty cool. So it fits really, really nice. It is very comfortable, but like I said, it just goes on this unit right here. It just clips on just like the other half mask, and then basically it's just going to retrofit you to a tight fit filter. So if you already have this Swiss Air half mask and you want to go to a tight fit unit, check this out. We'll link it down below. Now, I will tell you that I really like these because of the easy use, the accessibility, and it fits underneath a welding hood. I mean, they really are comfortable. They fit super nice, and it pumps a lot of air. That's what I love about these Swiss Air things. Like some of them, you kind of feel a little breeze. This one, like it forces it on you, and it's very, I guess it's relieving that you're getting that much air. So it's filtering it, but obviously this is a loose fit. You can wear it with a beard or anything like that, but it is still filtering the air that you're breathing, whereas this one is a tight fit. So on the tight fit unit, it comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, large, and you will need to know what size you're going to get. So I guess if you're already wearing a tight fit filter, then you probably know what size you need. But small, medium, large, we have all in stock. So if you got any questions, comments, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.